Ako'y lungkot na lungkot. Honestly, ako'y lungkot na lungkot. Dahil alam niyo naman na halos may na 20 bagyo ang dumadating sa atin. At ito isa sa primary equipment na ginagamit ng ating Air Force. Alam natin na mayroon tayong pangailangan yung ating troops na nasa iba't ibang lugar ng ating Pilipinas. At even in the economic development, ating ginagamit yan. So kailangan natin yan. It can be a negotiated procurement. As I have mentioned, the consideration will always be what is really best for the government. And we will do it very, very fast this time. And we will direct the Philippine Air Force to immediately comply with what is required by regulation.
We're going now to the direction of negotiation. What's your assurance that it will be as transparent as this?
During the negotiation, I will ask Prime to discuss how many can be invited para hindi naman ganitong kasikip.
Funding would lapse by the end of the year. So do we have enough time, sir?
That is that will be a major challenge for the Philippine Air Force and the Beach and Hours Committee. We know that we have a limitation as far as the validity of the funds is concerned.
Yes.
And we will be making a decision. We will not allow that the funds will expire because there's no contract that we were able to enter into.